Codable in Swift is a powerful and commonly used protocol that enables seamless encoding and decoding of data formats such as JSON, property lists, PLISTs, or even custom formats. It is actually a type alias that combines both the encodable and decodable protocols, allowing Swift types that conform to Codable to be easily converted to and from external representations. This makes it extremely useful when working with APIs or persistent data. Often, the keys used in JSON responses or other data formats don't exactly match the property names in your Swift models. In such cases, Swift provides support for custom key mapping, allowing developers to explicitly define how the keys in external data correlate with the properties in Swift types, ensuring accurate and reliable data parsing. When the property names and types in your Swift model exactly match the keys in your external data, like JSON, Swift automatically synthesizes the required encoding and decoding methods for you. However, if you need more control, such as renaming keys, transforming data, or providing default values, you can implement these methods manually. To customize decoding, you override the init from decoder initializer, which is called by the system during decoding. In this method, you use the provided decoder to access a keyed container and extract your properties. Similarly, for encoding, you implement the encode-to-encoder method. This method is called when the system needs to encode your object, allowing you to manually write each property into a container. These custom implementations give you full control over how your data is mapped between Swift and external format. By default, Swift encodes and decodes date values as numeric timestamps representing the time interval since 1970. However, many real-world APIs use date strings in formats like ISO 8601, which requires customizing how dates are handled. This can be achieved by setting the date decoding strategy or date encoding strategy on your JSON decoder or JSON encoder. Similarly, enums with associated values present another challenge. Unlike simple enums, they don't have a straightforward automatic representation in JSON. Therefore, when working with such enums, you must manually define how they should be represented in the encoded data and implement custom encoding and decoding logic to handle their structure correctly.